Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Children, this is our science class. In the previous lecture, we have started the unit 4 and I explained you about the what plant produce, about the different parts of plant. I told you about the importance of plant and what are plants. The parts of plant, the last topic I told you, the plant is made up of many different parts. Each part has a set of jobs to keep the plant healthy. The four main parts. We have many different parts in the plant, but the four main parts are roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. Let's continue this chapter and learn something more about these parts. This is page number 21 of your book. Now, the first, they are explaining you about the flowers. Look at any garden, the first thing you will notice are the flowers. Because they are very colorful and beautiful. Whenever you go in the garden, first thing which attracts you is the flower of the different plants. Flowers are lovely, colorful, and smell sweet. All seeds come from flowers. Understand? All seeds come from flowers. Flowers help plants to reproduce. Reproduce means to grow again. The same flower, the same plant means reproduce or make copies of themselves. Understand? Copies of themselves means the same plant grow again. Look what they are saying here. First, a tiny bird appears on the stem of a plant. Look, this is one stem of a plant. There are leaves and there is a tiny bird. Then what happened from here? A flower comes out. The bird grows into a flower. All flowers come like this. Look, here is a small bird. First, on the stem of the plant, tiny bird come and then it grows into a beautiful flower. Then what happened? Later on, the flower grows into a fruit. Look, here comes the leaves, the petals of the flower fell down and the fruit comes out like this. Then what happened? Let's learn something about the fruits and the seeds inside them. Fruits grow from flowers. Fruits contain seeds. All of you know, whenever you eat apple and orange or mango, you can find the seeds inside it. Not all fruits have the same number of seeds. Yes, here, this is a papaya. I will show you different types of fruits with seeds. Some, like the mango, have only one large seed. Others, like the papaya, have many tiny seeds. Seeds are protected by the skin and flesh of the fruit. This is the skin, the outer part, and this is the flesh. What you like to eat happily. This is the flesh of the fruit. Let's see, here are some different types of fruits. Most of them you like a lot. Look, this is apple. Apple has 4, 5, or 6 seeds inside. This is the skin. The red part is the skin of the fruit, and this is the flesh, the fleshy part. What we eat, a yummy apple. Look, 4 or 5 seeds inside it. It's a half part. Here we are seeing here 2, maybe more inside of the apple. This is papaya. Here are, look, maybe 90 or hundreds of seeds. This is watermelon. Look how many seeds in the watermelon. Hundreds of seeds inside this fruit. Also in pomegranate, many seeds inside it. Look here, mango. Mango has only 1 seed, but it's a very yummy fruit, right? Orange has 6, 7, or 8. This is apricot. Apricot also has one seed inside it. And the grapes. So different fruits have different number of seeds inside them, as you see in here. Okay. Then what happened when you have the seeds inside of it? Then from these seeds, new plants come out. As you studied on the previous page, they are saying from the seeds, new plants come out. Look how it is. This process is called germination. What is germination? That how seeds grow into the new plant. This process from here to here, this is called what? Germination. Let's read. Seeds usually have a hard covering. All of you know this. Inside each seed, there is a baby plant. When a seed is put into the soil and gets enough water, sunlight, and air, it can grow into a new plant. We say that the seed has germinated. Suppose this is the seed of an apple. When you put it into the soil, this is this brown part. Suppose this is the soil. When we put one seed inside the soil, look, the seed begins to grow. After 1 or 2 days, look, this is small part, it's coming out from the seed. Then what is this? Look, first the root appears and begins to grow. This part is going inside the ground, so this part is, you can say, the root. Root comes from this part. And look here, the seed start breaking. The hard covering, this brown part, you can see the hard covering of the seed, and it started breaking. Then on the third picture, what you can see, the roots become bigger, and after breaking out the seed, the small thing coming out of the, look, this is the soil, the surface of the soil, and this starting coming out. Then look what happened in the next. The thread-like material is the beginning of roots. Look, tiny roots take in water and they start taking water from the ground. And look, here the small plant coming out. Look here, then the roots become bigger and bigger. And what is this? The shoot pushes. What is the shoot? Shoot, you can see the baby plant. We say shoot to the baby plant, pushes up and begins to grow. The baby plant is started coming out of the soil and begins to grow. And look, this is the hard covering. It breaks out. Now what happened here? Look, the shoot grows green leaves. The small baby plant becoming bigger and bigger. The green leaves coming out. Then after some more time, they are become more bigger, and then the flowers and fruits start coming on it. Understand? All this process up to here is called process of germination. And when the seed started growing, we could say that the seed has germinated. Understand? It's a very simple process to understand. Hope you all understood this. From the fruits, we get the seeds, and then the seeds reproduce the plant again, means grow the plant again. Okay, after the fruits, what topic is here? Vegetables. It means we are reading this chapter is about the plants. So the topic vegetable means that vegetables come from the plants. Vegetables are the parts of plant. Let's read. Which vegetables do you like to eat? Just think. And I know all of you like to eat potatoes, French fries, right? Okay, humans and animals eat many different vegetables. Vegetables are parts of plants. As I told you, vegetables are the different parts of the plant, such as stems. Some vegetables are a stem of a plant, some are bud, some are leaf or root, as well as fruit. Now let's see which vegetable belongs to which part. Now we have leaf birds. What are leaf birds? Cabbages and lettuce are really birds. The plant grows from seeds. Almost the whole of the plant is made up of a bud. This plant is completely a vegetable. Look here. This is a lettuce. This is the whole plant of the lettuce. You all like to eat as a salad. These are the leaf birds and also the cabbage. This is the another vegetable. Look here how cabbage grow from the plant. And we call this is the leaf birds of the plant. Each bud contains many leaves. Look, many leaves. Also cabbage, when you take it out and open it, there are many leaves inside the cabbage. Now roots. The part of a plant which we say roots, this is inside the ground, inside the soil. Carrots, radish, and turnips are swollen roots. Look, it means these parts of the plant become swallow and they look like this. Look, they are these vegetables, carrot, radish, turnip, and many more. They are inside the soil. So these are the roots of the plants, these vegetables. Now we have leaves. Many vegetables are the part of leaves, just like spinach, chives are leaf vegetables. Also you have corianders, mint. These are the mint leaves. These are spinach leaves. Looks, we like to eat this. These are the leaves, leafy part of the plant. These vegetables are leaf. Now what part? Stems. Stems can be hollow or solid, round or square, rough or smooth. Sugarcane and celery are stems. Look, this is the plant of sugarcane and this is the sugarcane. This is the stem of a plant. Stems are also called leaf stalks. This type of stems we call leaf stalk. From this sugarcane, then later we have the sugar. Okay, what are the next parts? We have now tubers. What are the tubers? Let's read. Potatoes, gingers, and yams are tubers. What are these? Are stems. Tubers are stems which grow underground. They are not roots, they are stems, but underground. They grow underground. Look like this. These are potatoes. How they grow inside the soil, inside the ground. So this part, this is the part of a stem which is inside the ground. We call it tubers. And potatoes, gingers, and yams are the example of this part of the plant. Stem which is inside the soil is called tuber. Okay, now fruits. Look, why fruits are here? Some vegetables are really fruits. What are these? Tomato is a fruit. The chili is a fruit. Why we call them fruit? I will tell you in the next page. Okay. And then we have bulbs. Which part we call bulb? Let's see. The onion is a bulb. Onions can grow from bulbs or from seeds. Look, this part, here are the long leaves. Under it we have bulb. It is just attached to the ground, not inside So this part is called bulb. And the example of vegetable is onions. Now we have flower birds. Flower birds, cauliflowers and globe artichokes are flower birds. Look, this is cauliflower, a tasty vegetable. This is look like a flower, so we call it flower birds. The white part of a cauliflower is the vegetable. This part, white part. It is surrounded by leaves. Look, this is cauliflower, and it is the part of a plant which we call flower birds. Okay, understand? Now then we have seeds. Which seeds we eat? Broad beans and peas are seeds that grow in pots above the ground. Look, this is the picture of peas. These are the pots, you can say the covering. In one pot we have 6, 7, 9, 10 peas inside this. These are the seeds, what we eat. These are the different parts of the plants, what we call them vegetables, and we eat them and we like to eat. What are these parts? Leaf birds, leaves, roots, stems, tubers, flower birds, fruits, seeds, and bulbs. Okay, children? This is our unit number 4, what plant produce. Now you are fully understood that plants produce different types of fruits and vegetables. And also you understood the importance of plant and how plants grow again and how they reproduce. Okay? Okay, now we have the exercise here. First of all, what to do? Look here, match the following. Here are the name of, you can say vegetables or the fruits or vegetables. These are the vegetables and which part they belong to. Tomato, as they told you in the previous page, I tell you, is a fruit. Tomato is a fruit. Why tomato is a fruit? I will explain you in this question. Here you match tomato, fruit, carrot, yes, the root, pea, seed, lettuce, leaf, bud, cauliflower, flower bud. These vegetables are these parts of the plant you have to match. Remember, tomato, fruit, carrot, root, pea, seed, lettuce, leaf bud, cauliflower, flower bud. Okay, match them in your book and also learn this. Now we have question 2 and 3. Why are tomato and chili both considered to be fruits? And in a table, we have to write one example of these parts of the plant. I will tell you in the next picture. First here, fill in the blanks. They are giving you 2 options. You have to select one. Fill in the blanks using the correct word from the bracket. Dash make food for the plant. All of you now knew it. Leaves make food for the plant by the process of, yes, photosynthesis. So here comes leaves. Roots absorb soil or water? Yes, of course, water. Roots absorb water. Stems move water and nutrients to the leaves. Stem to the leaves. Now number D, fruits grow from where? Stem or flowers? Yes, from flowers. Fruits grow from flowers and contain what? Seeds. Fruits contains seeds. Okay, done. Let's move to the question answers. Question number 2, they are asking, why are tomato and chili both considered to be fruit? This is the question in your mind also. They are considered fruits because they grow from flowers and contain seeds. Understand why we consider them fruit? Why we say tomato is a fruit, chili is a fruit? Because they grow from flowers and contain seeds. Okay. Now question number 3, write in a table one example for each of the following. You have to draw like this table in your notebooks and same as it is like. Write them. They are asking the example of these parts of the plants: leaf bud, leaf, fruit, stem, tuber, flower bud, seed, fruit, and bulb. So let's see what is the example of leaf bud. Remember when we were studying, I told you leaf bud is a lettuce. In your book, it is given there. The example of leaf bud is lettuce. The example of leaf, which vegetable? Spinach. Example of root, which vegetable grows in the root? Carrot. Stem, which vegetable? Sugar cane. Tuber, potato. Flower bud, cauliflower. Seed, what is the example? Peas. Fruit, tomato. And bulb, the vegetable which belongs to bulb is onion. This is your exercise questions. So you have to write this in your notebook, this question, and question number 3. Question 1 and 4, fill in the blanks, you will do in your book and also learn these question 1 and 4. Okay, children, that's all for today. Wish you a good luck.